Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nano Elearn Learning Made Easy. The topic for today's session was black box testing, white box testing, and grey box testing techniques. Let me explain how the software testing is classified into these three types. Based on knowledge of implementation of software product, the software testing is classified into three types, which I have covered. They are black box testing, white box testing, and grey box testing techniques. Let me explain what is black box testing. In this type of testing, the tester has only knowledge on the behavior or functionality of the software application, but he does not have any knowledge of its implementation. That is, here the black box testers does not have any knowledge on the programming, how they need to develop the application. Here, if you see the figure here, the the system looks like a black box. Here it is like a opaque box, it is not transparent. So the system has a set of inputs, and based on the requirements the system will perform certain actions or events, and it has an expected output. Here the tester has knowledge only on what the system will perform when a specific input is given to it, but it does not have any knowledge of its implementation. That is, here the tester does not have any programming knowledge. So this type of testing is also known as functional testing or behavioral testing or opaque box testing or non-transparent testing. Generally, in real time, these black box testers are known as functional testers. In our classification, the next type of testing is white box testing. In this type of testing, the tester has complete knowledge of its code using which the application was developed. That is, here the system is treated as a transparent box or glass box. Just like if you imagine, if you place any object inside a glass box which is transparent at all sides, you can see the object inside it from any side of the glass box. Similarly, here the system is treated as a white box or glass box here. So here the system has again a set of inputs and a set of requirements. Based on the requirement, the system will perform certain actions or events and an expected output. Here the system is treated as clear box or glass box. Here the system has all these things which I have just covered, a set of requirements, it performs a set of events or actions, and an input and an expected output. Because of this nature, this type of testing is also known as glass box testing, clear box testing, or transparent box testing. Generally, the white box testers are software developers in real time. That is, they do unit testing after each individual unit has been implemented or developed. The third type of testing in this classification is called as gray box testing technique. It is a combination of black box testing and white box testing techniques. The aim of this testing is to search for the defects due to improper structure or improper behavior of the software application. So in this case, the developer will have have knowledge on both the functionality as well as on its programming. Hence, this type of testing is also known as translucent testing, which indicates that it is both opaque and transparent in nature. Happy learning! Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Have a good day.